Most welding helmets sold online are flimsy plastic that warp in heat. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Tired of squinting through dim visors and fighting heat during every weld? This video breaks down the best options so you can weld confidently. Today, I'm going to be going over the best welding helmet that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the ARCCAPTAIN Large View. From the moment you unbox it, the welding hood conveys durability and purpose, signaling suitability for professional welders and hobbyists. Its featherweight design, roughly 1 pound, translates into reduced neck strain during long sessions, empowering users to work longer without fatigue. The generous display measures 3.94 inches by 3.66 inches, delivering expansive visibility for intricate weld details. A USB-powered LED light sits on top, offering 2 brightness levels to illuminate joints in dark environments. Auto-darkening is driven by 4 arc sensors, switching from light to dark in a fraction of a second for safer operation. Constructed from durable PP material, the helmet blends flexibility with impact resistance while maintaining comfortable wear. The hood integrates a 12-in-1 smart filter that provides automatic ultraviolet and infrared protection for safer long-term use. 2 solar panels mounted at the front complement a CR2450 battery at the rear, delivering extended operating hours. The adjustable headgear and breathable padding contour to head shape, supporting long shifts without hotspot. In real-world testing, the auto-darkening lens performed reliably with swift transition times and consistent visibility during varied welding tasks. Designed to support stick, MIG, and TIG welding with adjustable shade and sensitivity settings for different materials and processes. The breathable padding reduces heat buildup, and the overall balance minimizes neck strain yet remains sturdy during heavy-duty grinding tasks. Compared to a standard entry-level hood with a smaller viewing area, this ARCCAPTAIN model offers notably wider visibility and safety. The pros include large viewing area for detail, lightweight comfort for long wear, and rapid auto-darkening for eye protection. The cons include a higher price point relative to basic hoods and limited availability of third-party accessories or replacements. At number 4, we have the MIGVAN welding helmet. The MIGVAN welding helmet delivers true color optical clarity with optical class technology that minimizes distortion and preserves a lifelike weld view. Its large viewing area pairs with 4 arc sensors that react in a fraction of a second, guaranteeing shade transitions under weld conditions. The shade range spans 4 to 13 DIN and includes an outer yellow protective filter that blocks UV and IR rays instantly. Powered by solar energy with a replaceable lithium battery, this helmet sustains long sessions even when ambient light fluctuates. Effortless tailoring comes from wide shade adjustments and sensitivity controls, while pivoting headgear and breathing padding deliver a lightweight ergonomic fit. Built to withstand rugged environments, the helmet meets ANSI safety standards and supports ARCCAPTAIN MIG stick grind with easily replaceable lenses. The package includes the helmet 2 inner lenses, 2 outer lenses user manual, and a heavy-duty storage bag for organized transport. In head-to-head testing against the leading rival helmet, MIGVAN delivers more faithful color reproduction and crisper arc detection. Real-world performance testing shows consistent shade transitions, reliable sensor triggering, and solid battery life across a typical welding shift. The pros include excellent color fidelity that yields precise weld visibility, fast sensor response, and a comfortable ergonomic design ideal for long sessions. The cons include a higher price and a bit more weight that may affect neck comfort during extended welding sessions. Battery life remains solid during long projects thanks to the combination of solar powering and the replaceable lithium cell. Design and comfort enable all-day wear without neck strain, even during continuous grinding and torching tasks comfortably. This helmet adapts well to TIG MIG arc and grind workflows thanks to adaptable shade, replaceable lenses, and sturdy construction. At number 3, we have the ARCCAPTAIN welding helmet. From the moment unboxing begins, this helmet immediately signals a premium target audience of professional welders seeking reliable, comfortable all-day use. The construction blends a robust brushed aluminum-like finish with a contoured shell, delivering sturdy protection while maintaining user-friendly ergonomics. Despite its generous viewing area, the helmet remains reasonably compact in profile and balanced on the head for extended sessions. This helmet features a large 3.94 by 3.66 inch viewing window and 4 arc sensors. The switch from light to dark is extraordinarily fast, measured as 1 over 25,000 seconds, enabling near instantaneous shading. In the light state, it uses a DIN 4 setting, and in dark mode the range expands to protect eyes during welding. Equipped with a 12-in-1 smart filter, the hood provides automatic ultraviolet and infrared protection to safeguard eyes across varying work environments. The newly upgraded knob section enables easy adjustments even with gloves, while interior rearrangements improve head fit for extended comfort. The helmet is crafted from eco-friendly PP materials, delivering impressive tensile strength and flexural modulus for dependable durability under demanding conditions. In real-world testing, dual solar panels and backup batteries deliver consistent operation for years under varied T and MIG tasks. Its build quality surpasses average entry-level helmets in several key respects, including tighter tolerances and more comfortable head cradle. Temperature range tests show reliable operation from freezing to scorching, with materials maintaining flexibility and grip during long shifts. Compared with a leading rival helmet, the ARCCAPTAIN offers a noticeably larger viewing window and upgraded eye protection, though at a higher weight. The pros include durable build, long battery life, and comfortable fit. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 2, we have the YESWELDER auto-darkening welding helmet, a versatile safety hood designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its shade range spans from 3.5 to 13, enabling safe usage across TIG, MIG, MMA, welding, and grinding tasks. A generous viewing area measures 3.64 by 1.67 inches, delivering true color clarity that reduces eye strain. An outer blue light blocking lens safeguards your eyes from high-energy rays during prolonged sessions while maintaining a crisp weld preview. The auto-darkening system activates with 2 arc sensors in as little as 1/30,000 of a second, adapting to flashes. The helmet uses a thickened PP shell with impact resistance and a pivot headgear for secure, comfortable all-day wear powered by solar. It supports magnifying lenses for close-up work, broadening its appeal to jewelers and precision welders in professional shops. Along with the blue light protection, the helmet meets ANSI Z87.1 and CSA Z94.3 safety standards, ensuring credible protection for frequent users. In direct comparison to a typical 2-sensor helmet from a competing brand, the YESWELDER delivers faster response and broader shade coverage. The pros include excellent shade range, rapid auto-darkening response, and comfortable all-day wear with a secure headgear system. On the downside, this helmet commands a higher price than basic models, and the headband can feel snug after extended wear. In field tests, the solar-powered panel reduces maintenance while the backup battery supports performance during low-light conditions and extended shifts. Despite the compact form, it manages to maintain a sturdy profile that resists corrosion and deformation in busy work sites. The lightweight design helps reduce neck fatigue, while the sturdy hinge and durable shell promise long-term reliability in busy shops. Overall, this welder helmet is a versatile, reliable option for professional welders seeking safety, comfort, and performance across multiple welding processes. At number 1, we have the ARCCAPTAIN welding helmet. From the moment you unbox it, this helmet communicates professional intent with its robust PP shell and ergonomic headgear. It is clearly aimed at serious welders who demand long-lasting comfort, precise visibility, and dependable eye protection during extended sessions. With a viewing area of 3.94 by 3.66 inches paired with true color filtration, weld precision improves noticeably. Powering this helmet are dual solar panels paired with a backup CR2450 lithium battery delivering extended operation. The weight lands around 1 pound, and the PP construction yields flexibility while maintaining a comfortable profile for long durations. The adjustable headgear with breathable padding aligns with the contours of the head, reducing pressure points and improving wearability through marathon-style sessions. The 12-in-1 smart filter provides automatic ultraviolet and infrared protection, supporting safe operation across sticks, MIG, and TIG welding tasks. Auto-darkening responds quickly to changing light, delivering reliable shade transitions across stick, MIG, and TIG for safer, steadier welds. USB-powered LED light sits on top and can be attached for optional illumination in dark spaces when needed. Shade range from 4 to 5 and 8 to 13 ensures coverage for diverse materials and welding styles. Compared to a popular entry-level welding helmet, this ARCCAPTAIN model offers noticeably faster auto-darkening and a larger viewing area. The pros include strong PP shell, ergonomic headgear with breathable padding, and a USB-powered LED light on top. The cons include premium price and reliance on solar performance in dim environments, which may hamper functionality for occasional